Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update drivers in Windows 11. It's really simple and easy. Firstly, it's a good thing to make sure you go to the most update version of Windows 11 itself. To go and do that, all you need to do is click on the start button and then you can go and click on settings. If you can't find it, just search for it on the left, scroll down to the bottom and you can then see Windows Update. Click here and press check for updates and make sure you've got the most up-to-date version of Windows 11. If you don't, go and update it. I'll go and close this. And now to update your device drivers, all you need to do is click on search at the bottom and type in device manager like this, and this is going to show you all of the devices you've got on your computer. In my case, I want to update my Bluetooth driver, so I'll find Bluetooth and just click on the arrow to expand it and then find the device you want to update, and you can right click on it and then press update driver. You can then choose if you want manually search or just do an automatic search, which I will do, and it will then go and install the drivers if there are any available updates. So in that case, mine had an update, which is great. If it doesn't, it will say it was already installed and it had the latest update. If you want to go and update your graphic card drivers, to do that you can go and open up your graphic card drivers, which you probably should have installed. If you don't go and install them, then what you can do is open up and then in the top left click on drivers, and I can then go and see if there are any available. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to update Windows 11 drivers. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.